Hi, I'm Dr. Anna Malta from University College Dublin, and I was the lead researcher on the EPA-funded project Public Exposure to Non-ionising Radiation from Major Electricity Infrastructure in Ireland. Major electricity infrastructure, which includes high-voltage power lines, emits non-ionising radiation in the form of extremely low-frequency electromagnetic fields, or EMFs. For several decades, there have been concerns about potential health effects associated with long-term exposure to EMF, especially about the potential association with childhood cancer. However, findings from epidemiological studies have been inconsistent and a causal relationship has not been established. The electricity infrastructure needs development over time. For example, the transmission grid needs to be updated or upgraded, and new infrastructure needs to be built to connect to new sources or consumers. One large electricity infrastructure development that's currently ongoing in Ireland is the Celtic Interconnector, which is an undersea cable linking the electricity grids of Ireland and France. The EPA is responsible for monitoring public exposure to EMF and to advise the public, especially during projects such as the Celtic Interconnector. In this project, we carried out systematic reviews of the literature on 4 topics. We reviewed literature on monitoring and modeling studies of EMF. We carried out literature reviews of epidemiological studies on EMF and cancers, neurodegenerative disorders, and pregnancy and birth outcomes. We reviewed current policies and monitoring strategies in other EU countries. And finally, we reviewed current risk communication strategies to inform the public about EMF. In our report, we provide a number of recommendations for Ireland. These include the implementation of the European Council reference levels for EMF exposure and the adoption of precautionary policies for the construction of new high-voltage electricity infrastructure. We recommend monitoring surveys of new electricity infrastructure, which should be repeated at regular intervals. We also recommend a new process through which local authorities can request a survey if there is significant public concern. To find out more about our project and its findings, please visit our website.